So Youth in Government is an incredible YMCA program that brings students from across the state to one platform. It's a hands-on civic engagement experience, so we take a lot of what teens are already working on and learning in the classroom to do a personal, real-life experience.
Youth in Government in general consists of 3 branches: executive, judicial, and legislative. And those 3 branches are often isolated from one another. So it may seem as though there isn't a lot of interaction. YMCA Youth in Government in general is an incredible way to network and to get to know people better and to build your social skills better. So working together, collaborating, bouncing ideas off each other. We play a lot of icebreakers, a lot of games, getting to know each other. And it really invites students to learn more about their community and ways that they can help their community.
So there's a lot of programming that teens could do that are super important and super involved in. Most of these kids do other stuff. You know, they're athletes, they're FFA kids, they're band kids. This is different because kids that are able to come together that would not typically, the only like-mindedness they have together is being here. And when they get here and they listen to each other and they are having fun, they're doing the wobble. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, yeah.
We come together, we laugh, we eat lunch together, we bond. I think that is something that makes State Assembly so special.
My favorite part about the program is we really emphasize debating ideas and not people.
With different ideas and opinions, we don't understand the separation of ideas and people, and coming together for one purpose and serving the people and being able to champion that as a program is so important because we want to create a vision of what government should be, not what it is.
We may come into the room with different and opposing thoughts and beliefs, but at the end of the day, we can have a very respectful conversation, take something away from those conversations, and really respect each other at the end of the day.
State Assembly is very diverse. So State Assembly encourages a lot of ideas. What can other teens bring to the table? What narratives and backgrounds individuals come from? The way they exercise themselves and work cohesively builds unity. It teaches us how we can be more politically active when we are young adults. I know that there's other teens who are willing to hear me and go along this journey to change things. I kind of think of it as we're change agents. There's a lot of problems in this world and we are the future, so I think when we learn to address them, we can help apply it to what kind of jobs and careers they want to have in the future. And I think it's building a generation where we are more concerned about how we prosper in society.
The welcoming community that Youth in Government has fostered for these kids is really what sets it apart. And that's why kids come back, is because we have such different pockets of individuals and they come here and they can really connect with people from all over the state that have different interests. And here they listen to each other, they feel connected. And that's why the program continues to grow, is because kids want to come back and they want to be part of it.
My hope for students who attend is that those who come in and feel maybe a little less confident in themselves, or they don't understand where their voice belongs yet, they don't understand who their community is. I hope that they leave State Assembly knowing that they are valued, they are supported, they belong, and that their voice matters. And I think that that is the true impact of Florida YMCA Youth in Government.